Here I've got Sharp C10 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and we will enter the first code, which is *##, 4636 #*#. And now we are in testing mode, so here you can check phone information, usage statistics, Wi-Fi information, and we will start with the first tab, which is phone info. Here you can read email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and also you can run a ping test here. To perform it, simply click on run ping test, and that's it. Below you've got the solution. So let me go back. Now you can go to usage statistics, where you can find all information about your applications, and then let's go to Wi-Fi Info, where you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. In Wi-Fi APA you will find disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration you can read all configured networks, and then in Wi-Fi status you can refresh it. You can simply read the current network status. You can also perform a ping test here simply by tapping on run ping test. So let me go back. And now it's time for the second code, which is *##, 426 #*#. And as you can see now, we are in Google Play services, where you can check ping, connect, disconnect, and events. So let me go back to the third code, which is *##, 225 #*#. And here is the calendar info, so you can check all events, all celebrations, any important dates that you have written down in your calendar. So just by using this one code you can check everything to not forget about any important date, any important celebration. And then the last code, very short one, is *##06#. And this one will provide you with both email numbers assigned to your Sharp. Click on OK to go back, and that would be all. These are all secret codes for your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.